Someone asked me why the fries were so crispy and tasty. Start by chopping 3 large potatoes. Cut into thick strips. Then chop into thin strips just like I've done. Now transfer the potato strips to a large bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also add enough cold water to fully cover the potatoes. Finally, add 1 cup of ice cubes. I'm using a 240 milliliter cup. Now, using a spatula, mix it all together very well. And let the potatoes rest in the water for 20 minutes. After this indicated time, using a colander, drain all the water. Then transfer the potatoes to a dishcloth, fully drain the excess water, and set aside. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. For the next step, into a medium bowl, add 1 cup of sifted wheat flour and 1 cup of sifted cornstarch. Then transfer the potatoes we've set aside to this bowl and coat them very well until they absorb the flour and the cornstarch. Once you've done that, using a strainer, remove the excess flour and set these coated potatoes aside into another bowl. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. After this step, you may store the potatoes into a plastic bag and freeze them. And whenever you want to eat delicious fries, they'll be ready in your freezer. All you have to do is fry them and enjoy. These frozen potatoes are valid for 30 days, but make sure you don't unfreeze them before frying. Toss them straight into the hot oil. To fry them, into a large skillet over medium heat, add 1 liter of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the potatoes and let them fry for 6 minutes. Once you've done that, remove the potatoes from the oil and drain them on a plate lined with paper towels. That recipe is ready. You may now take a serving and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.